15 products every home needs, and they're all under $30. These are some of my favorite finds that are useful, functional, and affordable. I'm telling you, they make life easier one way or another around the home. Now, as always, everything will be linked in the description below and at the QR code on the screen. Let's check them out. Okay, number one is a staple, WD-40, but not the spray. These are pens. This is genius. I'm so glad that they thought of this. Not only does it make it really easy to apply, you literally just sort of color it where you need it, hinges, tools, you name it. Works just the same as the can, but less mess, no overspray, and it's a lot easier to store because you can just keep it in a drawer or a toolbox. Number two, I have shared many times before because we use these all over our home. These are rug grippers. If you have area rugs that are sliding, shifting around, these grippers are the best. So they come in a pack with several, stick them on there. They're not sticky. It's not gonna damage your floor, put any residue on your floor, but somehow the magic, it will keep it secure to the floor. The rug does not budge at all. And what I love is if you have a washable rug, you can still remove these, wash the rug, and use them again before they start to wear and you have to replace them. So if you need rug grippers, these are my choice for the best ones out there. Number three, this is what I call the pivot outlet. So what I love about this is it's basically like a surge protected power strip, but now in this box form that you put into an outlet. But genius that they thought of this, the outlets pivot, so now you can fit more plugs. A lot of times with your standard power strips, the second you put a large plug in one of the spots, it's covering one of the others. You can't use all the spots. So with this, you can simply turn them so that all plugs can fit and you can get more use out of it. Number four is this light up level. This would be a great Father's Day gift, by the way. So I love with this that you don't have to look for the little bubble to see if something's level. You just go by the color. So if it's red, you're way off. Orange, you're almost there, and green, it's just right. So it just makes it so much easier. You can check it from afar, and obviously every home could use a level. So this is my vote for the one to have. Number five, anything by Slice. The Slice tools, there's letter openers, box cutters, scissors. They have such a good variety. If you don't know what these are, basically they use a ceramic blade. So it's like a safe blade. So it's just a lot harder to cut yourself on. So it's safer, but wow, does this thing still work like a dream. So I have the one, it's magnetic even. I keep it on the side of the fridge. It's a great letter opener. I love the box cutter, just the handle design of it makes it really easy to break down boxes or cut through tape. They have a huge variety. I will link my favorites in the description, but if you don't have Slice tools, let me tell you, you will love them. Number six, I know you've heard me talk about time and time again, museum gel. This is a clear putty that is designed to hold things in place. Now, originally it was designed to hold like decor in place or things during earthquakes, but I really love these inside of drawers. If you put a drawer organizer in there, you know, you open and close, things shift around. Well, this, you just put a tiny little bit on the bottom. It's gonna hold everything in place, but it is really good too, maybe to hold things secure on bookshelves, on counters, you know, maybe if you have kids running around, so just to hold the delicate items in place. But there's so many uses for it. A little goes a long way. One jar of this will last you so long. Number seven is a recent swap that I made, and I'm like, why did I not do this sooner? It's wooden utensils. So it's an easy, safe swap you can make in your kitchen, and I promise you, you won't miss the others. So for the longest time, I had pink silicone ones because they were pink. I know a lot of people just use like the black plastic ones. There's a lot of not good chemicals in those. So I decided to make the switch, and I love honestly how the wooden ones look in a jar on my counter, but they really work great and hold up well too. Number eight is a sink plunger. So again, if you're looking to cut back on some chemicals, if you ever get clogs in your sinks, this is what I reach for first. Now, a lot of people will do baking soda and vinegar. We know, don't do that. Those two cancel each other out. It's not really doing anything. And of course, there's Drano and liquid plumber, which can be really hard on our pipes and very just toxic and harmful if those chemicals get on you. And I do love my drain cleaning foam that I've showed you guys before that you can like push down on and the foam clears everything out. Love that. But the thing I reach for first when I notice a sink is starting to get clogged is the plunger, because it's just so easy, no chemicals involved. So they're cheap enough. I think everybody should just have one, keep it under your bathroom sink. The first sign of a clog, use that, and it hopefully will push it through. If it doesn't work, then we can advance to, you know, bigger dogs, so to speak, but this is a great place to start. Number 9, you know my love for this one, the Battery Daddy. If you have a ton of batteries, this is the best way to organize them because not only does it keep them all in one place, you're not having to look for rogue batteries rolling around in a drawer somewhere, keeps them all in one place. You can also see the inventory of what you have, so I know when I'm running low on AA or AAA batteries, but it holds every type of size. And I love that they give more space to the AA's and the AAA's because they know those are more common. But the other cool thing is that it has a battery tester in there. So if you ever come across a random battery and you wonder if it works or not, just pop it in that tester and it will tell you. And then I just love that it's in a case that you can easily carry around from room to room if you're working on projects, or like Christmas morning, parents, it's really nice to just have nearby. If kids are opening toys, you know, they want to play with them right then and there, you can pop the batteries in and just have them all ready on hand. So I love a Battery Daddy. This also makes a really good gift, whether you gift it empty or fill it up with batteries, and then somebody is definitely really set and good to go. Number 10, cleaning tablets. I love the ones by Active, and honestly, they make them for nearly every appliance in your home. So I primarily use the ones for the disposal, the washing machine, and the dishwasher, but they make them for the ice maker, the coffee maker, you name it. And what I love about this, as I always say, this is a cleaning shortcut that actually works. A lot of times cleaning shortcuts, you know, you pay for it maybe somewhere down the road. No, these are designed to clean the inner workings of your machine, so it extends the life of them. They do their job better, and it could not be easier. Literally toss in one a month, run the machine, call it good. You don't have to really do anything at all other than to remember to do it every now and then. So could not be easier. And again, it's just going to extend the life of our like small appliances inside of our home and keep them working their best. Number 11 is the Kitchen Mama can opener. Every home needs a can opener. This is all I have used for years. I think it's the best one out there. First of all, I love the size, easy to store in a drawer, but here's the best part about it. You pop it on the can, hit the button, it's gonna spin around one rotation, hit the button again, take it off, and it makes the edge smooth. It's like a rounded edge. So you're not gonna worry about cutting yourself on the lid, but then you can also replace it. So maybe you don't fully use the contents of the can. You can put the lid back on and put it back in the fridge to use it later. So it runs on like AA batteries. It is so good. Comes in several colors. Great gift idea as well, but definitely the can opener to have if you're gonna have one. Number 12 is a kitchen item I use every single day, and it's also probably the cheapest thing in my kitchen. It's pan scrapers. These tend to come several to a pack. I don't know about you, but I always need these to scrape something off of a pan. I'm burning something or something is sticking, but they also have other uses too. So if you're making like brownies or something, you can scrape the bowl to get all the batter out. You can use this to run along like the edge of a stove or something to get gunk out of it. So you can use it for cleaning, cooking, baking. They have a ton of uses, but without fail, if you have a pan with burnt, stuck on messes, it really helps if you've been soaking it to just go in then with the scraper and scrape things off. So again, a lot of uses, and they're so affordable. Number 13 is a hair catcher. Ladies, especially, you know, the hair that comes out and it gets in the drain and it creates clogs if we don't have a hair catcher. I highly recommend having one. Now, they make two different types. I will link both. There's disposable, which if you saw my unpopular opinions video, I dogged on the disposable ones because I was like, why would you use these and have to get rid of them every time and keep buying more when you can do a silicone reusable one? I have the silicone. I love it. I think that's still the best way to go. However, people then include me in that with the disposable, it's not one-time use. You put them on there, you can get several showers out of them before you have to replace them. So maybe they're not all bad. So I will link both based on your preference, but the silicone ones are great too and can like suction cup to the shower wall. Either way, we all need hair catchers if you're sick of hair in the drain and it causing clogs. Number 14, silicone oven mitts. You know my love for these. I talk about them all the time. Gone are, at least for me, gone are the days of using the fabric oven mitts because they get dirty. You know, you pull something out of the oven, food contents get on there, and then what? You have to wash them in the washing machine, which is a pain, or they just get stained and gross over time. With the silicone ones, if they get food on them, you just rinse them off and then put them away. They dry quickly. They stay looking brand new forever. They are the best. I will never use cloth ones ever again. And lastly, number 15, a fridge deodorizer. But you know, if you followed me for some time here, that my pick for fridge deodorizer is not the box of Arm & Hammer baking soda. It is this stainless steel one that lasts 10 years. A box of baking soda, if you go that route, you have to replace it every month if you wanted to keep the odors at bay in your fridge. This lasts for 10 years and it looks cuter too. So if you're gonna have a fridge deodorizer, grab this one. It lasts long, it works great, and looks better in the fridge too. All right, and that does it. Just 15 home staples I think every home could use and benefit from if you don't already have these. And if you have any to add to the list, please drop them in the comments. And as always, everything will be linked in the description below or pinned to the comments and at the QR code on your screen. And I will see you in my next video.